Welcome to HYPERSTOCK. On Startup page, tap on Connect with Linnworks. Here, check this box and enter your email and password. And tap on Login. Then, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you have to tap on Install. Then, you'll be redirected to HYPERSTOCK app. Here, you have to tap on OK. Now tap on Login and enter your Linnworks email. Click Login. Here, provide your information like first name, last name, phone number and set a strong password. Remember, your password should contain 6 to 15 characters and at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one digit and one symbol. And just tap on Save, and you are done.